In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to find winning products on AutoDS. If you're interested in starting with AutoDS, you can check the link in the description. Firstly, search suppliers' bestsellers. AutoDS supports many top-tier suppliers who offer bestseller sections. These are gold mines for identifying products that are already selling well. For example, like Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, or Walmart. Just go to the website, trending items, pick a niche, and choose 3 products. 2. Spy on the competition. Spying tools can show which products are hot in other stores and let you import them easily. For example, Koala Inspector for Shopify. You can install the Koala Inspector Chrome extension and visit a competitor's Shopify store. Then click the extension to reveal bestsellers, product count, average prices, or apps used. Also, you can try eBay manual research. Search a keyword, use filters like sold or completed. You'll see in-demand products that are actively selling. And finally, you can do Facebook ads research. Go to the Facebook ads library, search for a product, and check the strong engagement of the hot selling items.